Ever wondered what makes those vibrant, glowing signs so mesmerizing? Is that eerie glow a sign of danger? Today, we're diving deep into the world of neon and uncovering the truth. Is it safe or is it radioactive? Neon. The word itself conjures up images of buzzing cityscapes, retro diners, and those iconic, eye-catching signs. But beyond the aesthetic, there's a common misconception that the captivating glow of neon is a result of radioactivity. Now, this idea might seem plausible. After all, radioactivity is known for its luminous properties. But is there any truth to this urban legend? Let's find out. First things first, neon itself is not radioactive. The glowing phenomenon we associate with neon signs is a result of a completely different process, electrical discharge. Here's the breakdown. Inside the neon tube, neon signs are essentially glass tubes filled with neon gas. Electricity at work. When an electric current is passed through the tube, it excites the neon atoms. Energy release. These excited atoms release energy in the form of light, creating that characteristic vibrant glow. Think of it like this: it's similar to how a fluorescent light works. The electricity excites the gas inside, causing it to emit light. So, if neon isn't radioactive, is it safe? The short answer is yes, generally. Inert gas. Neon is a noble gas, meaning it's incredibly stable and unreactive. It doesn't readily form compounds with other elements. No chemical hazards. This inert nature makes it largely harmless in its gaseous form. Electrical considerations. However, it's important to remember that high voltages are used to power neon signs. Therefore, the primary safety concern with neon signs lies in the electrical components, not the neon gas itself. Broken tubes. If a neon tube breaks, there's a slight risk of exposure to the neon gas. However, due to its inert nature, this risk is minimal. Recycling considerations. Proper disposal of neon tubes is crucial. Special procedures are often required to safely recycle or dispose of the glass and any remaining gas. Neon isn't the only gas used in these luminous displays. Other noble gases, such as argon, helium, and krypton, can also be used to create different colors. Color variations. By filling the tubes with different gases or adding trace amounts of other elements, sign makers can achieve a wide spectrum of colors, from the classic red of neon to vibrant blues, greens, and even pinks. Neon signs have a fascinating history. Early days. The first neon sign was unveiled in 1910 at the Paris Motor Show, captivating the world with its brilliance. A symbol of modernity, in the early 20th century, neon signs became synonymous with modernity and progress, transforming cityscapes and capturing the public imagination. Enduring legacy. Today, neon signs remain popular, both for their aesthetic appeal and their historical significance. Many cities have even designated areas as neon districts to preserve this iconic form of illumination. So, there you have it. Neon, while undeniably captivating, is not radioactive. Its glow is a result of electrical discharge, a process that involves exciting the neon gas within the tube. While electrical safety precautions are necessary, neon itself poses minimal risk to human health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.